girls doing this morning? Good morning. And there's Tux too. Hi. I think we're done with the rain, and it's still supposed to be 70 today. We'll take it. Good morning, boys. Come on, Tux, let's go. It's warm enough for our walk this morning. Let's go. It's Saturday, so no Dawn out here today. No paper on Saturday. I'll check the mailbox. That's a nice way to start the morning. No mail this morning. Well, good luck with your testing this morning. How many tips does this make now?
I don't know.
I think we've lost count. I think it's more than that, maybe.
I don't know.
Anyway, he's got to have 10 tips on his belt to test for his 3rd degree black belt, and I think that's roughly going to be at the end of 2021 or early 2022. So yeah, I'm sure you won't have any problem with your testing this morning. Good luck out there. It's virtual still. Well, Johnny's going out to do Taekwondo, but isn't it Saturday morning?
Yeah, it is Saturday morning.
And you're like at your work computer.
Yep, I'm at my work computer. I'm working on Saturday.
It's just like a weekday. I'm missing you. Like, where are you? Like, are you almost done? No, huh?
Well, I thought I was going to take about an hour, but I've hit a couple snags. I'm checking some output in, so I've got to track down why things didn't work the way they were supposed to.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, I'll let you to it.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Well, that should be more than another hour.
Okay. Famous last words. But I'm pulling for that to be true. Yeah. So I'm back working on the corner candy store this morning, and I put in the 2nd floor stair steps, which are a lot like the 1st floor stair steps. And I'm starting to build the outer wall now around, and I had to move my kitchen that some of you might remember seeing a week ago because the stair steps were where I had sort of put the kitchen. It's a little cramped now, but that's okay. No real people have to walk around inside of here. Well, Dawn's done working for the day, and I have basically been sitting here working on this Lego project, the corner candy store, the entire time. And I almost have the 2nd floor done. I got a couple more rows around and then to flat top it off, and I think it's finished. So yeah, it's coming good. I had fun with it today, but it's like 70 degrees outside and sunny, and we're gonna go outside for a bit. Dawn said there's a snake over here. Pretty good size guy. What snake? What color? What?
Green mostly.
Green mostly.
Yeah. See him right there? He's on that fern. See him up there?
Oh, okay. I think he's just a common garter snake.
Well, yeah, I'm not a snake.
Way cool. Super cool.
He's sunning himself in that.
Yep, he's just, that's right, he's just sunning.
27th of February, baby, was out before the end of February.
I like them. Glad the cats haven't seen them. All right, this is the before video. We're going to get this scrub out of here. Whatever that scrub is right there, too. You know, we've got it really clean coming across now. Dawn and I have been working on it. And I told him, I said we should come do this today because you can't do it once the ferns are really up out of the ground good. And we're really at the point where they be coming up. And number 2, it's so wet out here because we've had 6 inches of rain already in February. 6 inches that I bet we can pull the stuff up and actually get it up. So Dawn's thrilled, absolutely thrilled to come outside and work with me for a couple hours. He is so stoked and excited.
That's right. Yeah, right.
Because you love me.
Correct. That's the only possible reason.
Well, the wheelbarrow's full. It's looking a lot better up in there. You know, we pulled out by the roots everything we could. A few things break off when you do that. A few things you just can't get. There's several piles on the other side. Don's going to get the GMC and a chain to try to pull out a couple things he couldn't get with the brush scrubber. Hey, Donnie. It's been a while since I see it. I'm going to move. It's been a while since you've hooked up the GMC to pull something.
Yeah, well, hopefully I'm going to pull 4 things up.
Wow. Okay, I'll get out of the way. Well, they either got I see root. The more root, the better. I see root on that holly tree. We're just trying to keep it clear so we can see down into the creek bed. And that clump of stuff right there is all that's really left to go today. Yeah, Don knows from past experience, if you break it off at the ground, it comes back double. So trying to pull out the root, which he got there, that works obviously really well. All you can do is try, and then if it breaks off, it breaks off. When it gets bigger in a year or two, you can try again.
Try again. You've stunted it, that's for sure.
I don't believe I've ever seen Don fall in. Please don't fall in today.
Yeah, let's not fall in.
This is where metal cleats would really come in handy.
Yeah, clocks are not machines for this.
Yeah, metal cleats would be good. I don't have the vlogging camera on me, but I do have my phone in my back pocket, and I am basically sitting over here so I don't fall in, pulling out honeysuckle. And Don's gonna go to the other side to that one low limb on that holly tree. You see how nice it is over here? When you can actually get down to it. Did you get it?
It went in the creek.
That's okay. The next storm will take it on down the creek bed. No worries.
I suppose so.
Well, it's 5:30. The sun is setting. We have done every bit of what I hoped we would do. Don really also, you know, wants to make it so that you never lose the ability to see down into the creek bed. It's just nicer. Well, we got this whole area cleaned up a bunch more. And, you know, it's not like it'll stay looking good for forever, but it's a big improvement. I told Don Tux and I will have a really nice view on our morning walk tomorrow. Maybe I can persuade Don to come with me since it's not a work day. We did that all the time before we got the unicycle. Now, I like the unicycle. That's an improvement, but we would walk a good bit before we had the unicycle. I decided that Don and I worked so hard that we were having
Rationalization. Rationalization.
that we were having ice cream for dinner tonight, and I'm letting Don eat the rest of the chocolate hazelnut butter and cream cheese and whipping cream are the main. I mean,
That's right.
we're having ice cream.